How you guys doing? It's Justin Carpenter. Welcome again to another group project. Today we're going to be talking about AR and VR and its effects in business and the industry and its projected future trends. Table of contents, we're going to go throughout the PowerPoint. Start with a little introduction. What is VR? What is AR? And what's the difference? VR is virtual reality. AR is augmented reality. VR's purpose is to take you as far away from the real world as possible and put you in a new reality, when AR is just augmented reality, which just helps to enhance our daily life. So, AR in business. Architects can use AR to showcase their designs. Amazon utilizes AR technology to make buyers feel confident when shopping online. So you'll be able to see the product you want to buy in person, what it'll look like as a preview in your home before you even make that purchase. In the industry, it's really just a financial W for workers in the industry. It reduces costs and times in manufacturing, and it can change the education industry and provide a new perspective on how we should teach things. And future trends for AR, it's going to help a lot. It's going to help how we shop, and the new heads-up display will help how we drive. It'll be really helpful to prevent accidents and keep drivers' eyes on the road. For virtual reality, there's not really a whole lot right now other than just the gaming industry. It's more of an experimental helmet, and it's meant for gaming. But in the future, it should be able to help a lot with medical and military training, really going through those scenarios in a kind of a trial and error type scenario before you actually have to do it in a real life situation. The main trends is that as the more technology matures, kind of like in Moore's law, VR will go along with it. As far as technology goes, VR will go just as far. The game market is going to expand a lot, and it's going to bring low cost and high efficiency innovations to different types of training. Future trends include military, healthcare, culture education, and other stuff like medical training. VR and AR is going to be huge for the industry, and it's going to be a real big technological advancement that humans are going to have to use for years to come.